For the recipe, go to Sanla's Kitchen on YouTube, how to make shrimp lollipop.
Making some shrimp lollipop or lollipop shrimp. Cleaned, washed and ready to marinate.
Putting on a paper towel to dry out all the water. Cutting all the excess water. All the excess water. Dried shrimp goes to the bowl. Adding the ginger garlic paste to the dried patted shrimp for marination. Adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Adding 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. 1 tablespoon of adobo. Adding 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Salt to taste. Adding 2 eggs. Mixing everything together. Marinated shrimp for 30 minutes. Leave the marinated shrimp for 30 minutes. In the toothpick, poke it in. All-purpose potato starch mixed together. Marinated shrimp with the coated all-purpose and potato starch. Adding all the coated shrimp to the hot oil. Turn it around, both sides cooking, make it crispy. Ready to come out. Adding 1 onion. Saute. Added a tablespoon of soy sauce. Tablespoon of hot sauce. Mix everything together. A tablespoon of ketchup. Adding the fried shrimp. To the sauce. Mix everything together. Mix it. Mix everything together. Shrimp lollipop is ready to eat. Let's go to Sanla's Kitchen, how to make this. Wow. For the recipe, go to Sanla's Kitchen on YouTube, how to make shrimp lollipop. Look at this, shrimp lollipop. Smells so good. Bang.